Yeah, what's up, everybody? How's everyone doing, man? These are some of the eBay finds, man. As I told you guys, I created an eBay account, and these are some of the purchases. I think so far I have spent like 110. Um, these alone was like $60. So what is that? One, two, three, four times three. That's 12. So that's like $5 a piece. That's including shipping and all that. Let's take a look, man. I found Honda S2000, man. I have never seen this thing pegged or even at the retail stores, man. I had to go and get it off of eBay, and luckily for me, I got three of them. Definitely gonna go ahead and custom one of them. S2000 is just one of my favorites castings. Very very nice, and I like the fact that it comes with the front tampos. And the graphics from the Fast and the Furious is just a amazing touch. Very very detailed casting. Very very nice. And I got the 180 Type X. This one I wasn't really looking for it. I think I got like two or three of these ones already. But it came with a package. Like I said in the live stream, man. Sometimes I see I get bundles pretty much like from the same seller, and then I ask if they can ship them in the same box or the same whatever it is that they ship for the same price. And luckily for me, they have said yes. So that's how I've been bargaining or been getting good deals on the multiples. That really reduces cost. And take a look. This Toyota AE86 Corolla, the Samac version. Very nice, man. I have the super version, and I think I have pretty much. Oh, and then this weekend on the flea market, I found the variation for this too. It's also gray, but it's not the Samac version. Um, but yeah, man, nice casting overall. And one of my favorite ones too is the custom '01 Integra. I used to own one of these, but it was like the second generation. This is a 2001 with the. This is a custom because it's a Japanese front end. Very nice. Graphics, man. I have the white variation for this as well. Sweet casting, and hoping I probably will get it open as well once I get my display. And take a look, man. I had the Lamborghini Aventador Mura Homage. Very nice casting as well. Luxury. And it's got the front tampos, gold rims. It's gonna need some wheel swaps, man. But that's why I grab two of these. One is gonna be customized. Probably lower it or get different wheels. Who really knows? But yeah, these ones are hard to find. They're fairly recent, but we don't have Kmart's around here, so I wouldn't be able to find these in the. Well, I wouldn't even say in the wild. It's just in Arizona overall. And I have bought one of these, and I realized Adam was looking for it. So, and I really like this casting as well myself. And it's a night burners. But yeah, Adam, he is the one that's been looking for it. So I got it for him. I also got this one was like a package. So I got this Dodge Piper Red Edition, which later on after I bought it, I found one of the Dodge Pipers at Target, and so I got one, and this one is going for Adam, and also for Adam, it's gonna be this 2008 Lancer Evolution. maximum attack. So yeah, this might be, I don't know. This is a fairly old, oh look, 2008 evolution. And this is the one that was giving me a headache, man. I could not find these in the wild. I could not, like I said, these, I was going crazy for this. But just recently too, I found one of these, found it at the flea market and for $1 too. That was a sweet deal. This one, I didn't like really the shipping from these guys. Um, they sent them in the envelopes and stuff, but I mean, I am gonna open them, but still, if it was like a pricey item or whatever, you wouldn't like that to be shipped in the envelope. But I was just mainly looking for the casting itself. I'm just glad I found it, and like I said, very very nice. The 180. I really I like this casting just because the fact that the tampers on the back, and it's just a nice maroon color. It looks very very nice. And I might even do the 180SX from the premium casting. I might swap the base. That's how much I'm really digging this color. But yeah. So yeah, this was a, like I said, I have spent about 110 on eBay, and these ones right here were like $60. I think the average for them it's 5 a piece. Yeah, 5 a piece, and the other $50 were over here on this box. Let me show you. This right here is the S2000, man. Take a look. This is the Hot Wheels Cool Classics. This is the Spectre Frost, metal on metal with the retro slots. And if I'm not mistaken, man, because I wanted to do a wheel swap on this, I just do not remember, but I think I had seen a video. Might have been on the Rivera's Hot Wheels. I'm not too sure, to be honest, but the inside, um I don't even know how to explain it, but this is not your regular axles on these castings, but I don't know. I have to like really dig into or do some research. But yeah, I wanted to do a wheel swap, but somehow I do not remember exactly how it is that this axles are not like straight. I think they're the ones that, because it does say retro slots. I think these are the ones that are like curved. I don't know. But yeah, man, other than that, look at the casting itself. It's a gold. Very, very nice, man. With the number 44. It is a S2000 and very nice, sweet graphics as well. Um, but yeah. So this one, and I have a Datsun 240Z. Those wheels really do not go with this one at all, but simple wheel swap will do. This is Real Riders Metal on Metal 240 Datsun, sweet Real Riders. 3 out of 18 it says. I would like to get the Bluebird, man, the 510. So, and there's also a 510 for this one as well, and a 240. But yeah, that was like $20 right there, and this is the remaining $30. That's some Bluebird 510. This was a 2017 collector's edition. I think this was like a mail-in on Kmart, but I don't know. I thought 30 was a good deal, including shipping. Very nice. Nice casting. I do not know if I'm gonna open this one just yet. I mean, eventually, yeah, I will open them once I get a display, but nice piece. And yeah, 510. Very nice. So I think with this being 50, I think that rounds up each casting for like seven, let's say 750 each. So that you can say I pay 750 for this one, 750 for that one, and so on. So not bad overall. I think I'm doing just fine.
I've seen this one before it was so little, right?
Yeah. So this one's nice. ¿Te gusta? This one is like this one. But yeah, guys. Just eBay is, it's addicted. You know, you get a lot of stuff that you don't have and you want. So be careful. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. See, there's the other girl
Man, I'm
here.
getting sick.
It's large like this one, right?
Yeah, it's the same. It's just different color. But yeah, guys. So just showing off a little of my finds. They're not from the wild, but still, man, it's nice additions to the collection. But yeah, which one was your favorite? And I know I wouldn't have paid $7 for this one, but other than that, I think every other single car in this table, it's worth the $7. Well, I don't know, man. Except for this one. This one's a red edition, but it's fairly new. All right, then now, as is, I would pay $7 each, I guess. Anyways, see you guys in the. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and yeah, take care and enjoy the hobby. Yeah.